is to plead with our critical stakeholders from the North regarding the position of the national chairman. By November 15th and 16th, we're going to Ibadan to elect new national officers, and many or few have indicated interest for the position of the national chairman. Frankly speaking, all of them that we've heard that have indicated interest in contesting as the national chairman of our great party are all eminently qualified. I must say that. But having said that, I want to make an appeal to the critical stakeholders, from the North most especially, that we should consider not our ambition, but our names being written not on our tombs, but on the hearts of PDP members and Nigerians by supporting the candidacy of Ambassador Umar Ilia Damagum, the present national chairman of our great party, for all that he has done to sustain PDP and ensure that PDP does not go down the drain. We should encourage such a person to continue as the national chairman of our party come November 15th and 16th, 2025. I will say something, and that is, all that I've said is that we know every leader, every member loves PDP. But if there are 3 persons in our great party today that loves PDP, Ambassador Umar Ilia Damagum will be number 1. And he has sacrificed a lot for the party, to the extent, from our investigation, Ambassador Damagum can deprive himself instead of betraying PDP. And therefore, party faithful, critical stakeholders of our great party, it will be only fitting and fair for us to allow Ambassador Umar Ilia Damagum to steer the ship of our great party come November 15th and 16th, 2025. I also want to use this opportunity to plead with our delegates. Please, if you love PDP, if you believe in PDP, if you believe that Nigeria should not be a one-party state, support Ambassador Umar Ilia Damagum. He is the person that has demonstrated presently that he loves PDP. We need a digital. You cannot bring an analog person to manage a digital society. We need a digital person to manage a digital society.